Hello, students. Welcome to Jack Black and Nacho Libre. Students, listen to Mr. Lugo. In the wrestling match of life, you must go pro. Go away! Read some books! But also you should enjoy the pieces of corn of life along the way. Here you will see a beautiful scenery. So my machine is locking up, I'm pretty sure. Sure what's going on. Unless my thing locked up. Okay, starting it over here at 59 seconds. I think maybe what happened was something happened up there with the message coming in. But this is also pretty choppy. Here we have some vertical shots that I can click through like this. Click through and show. I'm going to pause this and look for some horizontals and move from the right, top right of the computer monitor down to the bottom left, see if it makes a difference. So here we go. Now I'm from down here at the bottom of the screen, the bottom left, different size. Hello, Keats. So I can't seem to make this screen bigger like I wanted to make it. I don't know if I can put myself back in here. Here I am. I guess it's going to move around on me. All four corners, basically. Doesn't lock up. I'll leave me right in the middle, and then I'm going to try to make this bigger. That is bigger, boys and girls. Let's go up this trail. Let's go. I'm going to go up this way. Whee, look at me. I'm moving along. Ooh, I'm climbing. I'm going up to heaven, boys and girls. Goodbye. Goodbye, cruel world. I'm leaving you. No corona can get me up here.